Good morning, student. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach you 8th chapter of class 7th, and that is continuous tenses. Okay. So yesterday we learned about simple tenses. Okay. Simple present, simple past, and simple future. So today we will learn about continuous tenses. Actually, time and sense are the two words that make the word tense. Okay. Tense tells us about time and sense in a sentence. So there are three tenses, as we all know: present tense, past tense, and future tense. So one by one we are covering those. Okay. So yesterday we learned about simple tenses, and today we are going to learn about continuous tenses. Okay. Verbs in the continuous tense will denote action that have not been completed. Actually, at the time of speaking, work is not completed, it is still continuing. So that marks the continuous tense. Okay. We have learned how the form of the verb changes in the continuous tense depending on the time. Take a look at the chart given below and revise how the verbs forms change. Okay. Now present tense, past tense, and continuous tense. All the three tenses are given here, and first person, second person, and third person. Okay. So we will do comparison. So first person I and first person plural we. So with I, am will be added, and with we are will be added. And watch, add ing in the watch, watching, and add ing in the watch, watching. So I am watching TV, we are watching TV. Okay. Now past continuous, I was watching TV. Was will be helping verb with I. Okay. And were will be helping verb with we. Okay. So we were watching TV and I was watching TV. Now in future continuous, I shall be watching, shall be will be used, and we shall be watching. Future continuous. Okay. Shall be will be used, and I add ing in the verb, first form of the verb. Okay. Now second person is already generally you, yours. So you are watching. Okay, you are watching. Now you were watching and you were watching. With you we used were. Okay. Now you will be watching TV. You will be watching TV in future continuous tense. Okay. Now he is watching TV. He is third person pronouns. So with he is will be used. He is watching TV. They are watching TV. Okay. With they are will be used. He was watching TV. They were watching TV. With they we will use were. They were watching TV. He will be watching TV. They will be watching TV. Okay. He and they third person pronoun. He is singular. They is plural. So in future continuous tense we will add will be oblique shall be. Okay. Plus ing form of the verb. Okay. Now we will study about present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used when we should use present continuous tense to describe an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. For example, actually present continuous tense, when we are using present continuous tense, it means action that is taking place at the time of speaking is still continuing. Okay. And it is not yet completed. Okay. For example, he is reading a book now. If I am telling he is reading a book now, it means at the time of speaking. When I speak this, okay, he is still he is continuing. He is continuing his work of reading. Okay. A nightingale is singing in the woods. So nightingale is singing. So at the time of speaking, when I say this, so nightingale is continuing. Nightingale is singing. Okay. Now to describe an action that has been going on over a period of time. Okay. Including the present but may not be happening at the time of speaking. For example, these days I am learning Arabic. Actually, we can use present continuous tense for the things describing an action that has been going on over a long period of time. Okay, that started in past, not now. That started in past but is still continuing. Okay, example, these days I am learning Arabic. Okay, now second, nowadays Swami is attending classes regularly. So Swami is attending classes. In the past, sometimes ago, he started attending the class, but still he is continuing. Okay. To describe a planned future event, the time almost always given. We are playing cricket in half an hour. They are shifting to their new house next week. Actually, sometime time is given. Okay, and to describe a planned future event, and time is almost always given, we can use present continuous tense. Okay, now past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action going on at a point of time on or over a period of the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated. Okay, the time of action may or may not be indicated. Okay, it is not compulsory. We were strolling all evening. Okay, it means action was going on at a point of time, okay, in the past, and it was still continuing. Okay, I was sleeping, so I was sleeping. It happened in the past, and at the time I was speaking, I was still sleeping. They were working in the laboratory. They were working in the laboratory when I arrived. They were working in the laboratory. It means work started in the past, and at the time I was speaking, it was still continuing. Okay. When I met him, he was baking cakes. He was baking cakes. It means his work was continuing. Okay. So in this way we can use past continuous tense. So in these two sentences, we see that the verbs in the past continuous tense are describing longer action, whereas the verbs in the simple past are describing shorter action. Okay. So past continuous tense are describing longer action, where the verbs in simple past are describing shorter action. Okay. Yeah, in this actually when I met him belongs to simple past. He was baking cake belongs to past continuous. So simple past are describing a shorter action. Okay, and past continuous tense are describing longer action. Okay, he was baking cakes. Okay, now future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. The future continuous is used to describe an action that will be going on or continuing at some point of time in the future. For example, so it is not happening now, and it has not happened in the past. Okay, so it will start in future and it will be continuing for some time. Okay, for example, grandfather will be eating at that time. My grandfather will start eating and he will be continuing. Okay, so So my grandfather will be eating and at that time. Okay. So next example. To describe an action that is fairly certain to happen in the future, however, we can say the same thing using the present continuous tense. Okay. So next week we will be visiting our grandparents in Imphal. This example is this is an example of future continuous, and we can write this sentence in present continuous as well. Okay. Next week we are visiting our grandparents in Imphal. So okay, my dear children, are you getting me? So at sometimes we can use the same thing. Okay, we can say the same thing using the present continuous tense as we are using to express our idea in future continuous tense. Okay. Now practice exercise 1. Mark whether the highlighted verbs in these sentences are simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, and simple future or future continuous tense. If two sentences are there, if two clauses are there, so we have to state both the kinds. Okay. First, why are you not carrying a bag? Why are you not carrying a bag? Very simple. This is an example of present continuous. Okay. The cook will cut the vegetable. The cook will cut the vegetable. This is an example of simple future. She finished the letter. I posted it. She finished the letter. She finished the letter. Simple past. I posted it. Also simple past. We were thinking of visiting you. We were thinking of visiting you. Simple past continuous. Okay, because were and ing form of the verb. So it will make past continuous tense. Mira sold her paintings at exhibition hall built last year. Mira sold her paintings. Simple past. Okay, both the sentences are simple past. When Farhan arrived, I was taking a bath. I was taking a bath is a past continuous. When Farhan arrived, simple past. Okay, in simple past only subject and second form the verb will be used. Okay, and in past continuous helping verb plus ing form of the verb will be used. The train will be leaving in an hour. Will be leaving. As I told you, will be, shall be plus ing form of the verb will make future continuous. Okay. He was studying in the bedroom when the lights went out. He was studying. Okay, simple past. When the lights went out, this will. He was studying actually past continuous and lights went out. Simple past. Okay. Sam visits his uncle every Sunday. Simple present. Sam visits his uncle every Sunday. So visit. So this verb we can come to know that this sentence belongs to present and present simple present. Okay. We shall be checking in the area. We shall be checking. It means future continuous. Okay. Will be shall be the first form of the verb and ing form of the verb. Okay. When I visited the monument, it means simple past. The last time I found it trembling. This is also an example of simple past. Okay. My sister is washing a lot of clothes. Present continuous. As she will be going out of town. It means future continuous. Okay. The children are playing. Present continuous. Mother are drinking tea. This is also an example of present continuous. Next, Rahim was walking town. So past continuous. the road when he noticed something strange. Actually, this is an example of simple past. Priya's father was driving. Past continuous. The car when the accident took place. Simple past. No one was injured. No one was injured is an example of simple past. Okay. Now change the tense of the verb in each of these sentences according to the instruction in brackets. Make necessary changes. Okay. So present continuous. We have to change this sentence into present continuous. In bracket given present continuous. Okay. So we tied his hands. So now in present continuous, as we know, with we will use are and ing form the verb. So we are tying, okay, his hands and feet and held him fast. Okay, now next, the police guarded the roads. Future continuous, the police will be guarded the roads. Will be and first form future continuous. So the police will be guarding the guarding should be there. Okay, the police will be guarding the roads. He ran so fast that he became breathless. Now we have to change into past continuous. He was running so fast that he became breathless. Okay, now they pushed and jostled in the crowd. They are pushing and jostling in the crowd. Present continuous. We have to change in present continuous. Okay. I had not received any letters from him. Future continuous. I will not be receiving any letter from him. Okay. I will not be receiving any letter from him. I read actually this is present continuous. I read an article in the newspaper about what the government plans to achieve in 5 years. So now I am reading. So I am reading will be used because we have to change into present continuous. So I am reading, and in second sentence, what the government is planning. Okay, what the government is planning to achieve in 5 years. Okay. Now next, seventh, my father sold the old car and bought a new one. Future continuous. We have to change. My father will be selling the old car and buying a new one because we had to change in future continuous. Okay, now next, the dog happily chased its own tail for hours. Present continuous. The dog is happily chasing its own tail for hours. Okay. He left for Mumbai. He took a new job. Future continuous. He will be leaving for Mumbai. He will be taking new job. Next, he came to my house to tell me what has happened. Present continuous. He is coming to my house to tell me what has happened. Actually, he is past in present continuous. He and we will add helping verb is and first form of is come and ing coming. He is coming to my house to tell me what has happened. Okay. So in this way we have solved all the exercises from chapter number 8, and that was continuous tenses. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.